Received a USD file from a 3D pipeline and wondering how to open this Pixar-developed format? It is becoming the industry standard for 3D scene exchange. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with universal scene description files. A quick note, our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. USD files are universal scene description files developed by Pixar Animation Studios for describing, assembling, and exchanging 3D scenes across animation and visual effects pipelines. They store geometry materials, lighting, cameras, animation, and scene hierarchy, enabling collaborative work on complex 3D scenes across multiple applications. USD files come in 3 encodings: ASCII text, USDA binary, USDC, and zipped USDZ packages. The format uses a layered composition system with sublayers, references, variants, and overrides, allowing non-destructive scene assembly. USD scenes use a hierarchical Prim structure with attributes, relationships, and metadata. For reliable opening, Pixar USD by Pixar offers the best solution for USD. Windows cannot reliably map the file's internal data paths for extraction. Windows isn't built to read full CAD specifications, so full access depends on specialty modeling applications. Your first move is to identify the possible openers. Right-click the USD file and choose Open With. If Pixar USD is an option, select it. If not, choose another program. It's often trial and error. If your USD file is not opening yet, that is normal. This USD format requires a precision approach. The error isn't random. Let's go through this quick checklist to ensure every necessary component is verified. First, opening in USD View. Install the USD toolset from openusd.org, which includes USD View, a graphical scene viewer. Launch USD View from the command line, passing the USD file as an argument. The viewer displays the scene hierarchy, renders the 3D geometry, and allows inspection of attributes, layers, and composition arcs. Next, importing into 3D software. Open USD files in 3D applications with USD support such as Autodesk, Maya Houdini, Blender Cinema 4D, or Unreal Engine. Use File Then Import or File Then Reference to load the USD scene, preserving the layer composition. Most modern DCC tools support USD natively or via a plugin. Finally, converting to other formats. Use the USD command line tools, USDCat, to convert between USDA, USDC, and USDZ formats. To convert to other 3D formats like FBX or OBJ, open the USD in Maya Houdini or Blender and export to the desired format. Note that USD-specific features like layers and variants may not translate directly. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When the manual methods didn't work on the file, we conclude the issue requires deep format inspection. I recommend turning to File Magic, your best bet for extracting content when all else fails. Get it at filemagic.com. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.